When you first open the link, you will have the option to sign up using Google or email. So here I will sign up using email. After signing up, check your inbox and verify your email address. Once your email is verified, generate an API key. This API key is needed for the browser extension and for logging on in multiple devices in the future. Now open the browser extension and log in using your API key. It may be show restricted, but don't worry, it will be connected automatically after some time. Okay, after setting up, you can complete the more tasks and you can share with your friends to earn additional rewards. And that's it, you are all set to start using. Thank you.